there.
Am I going? Ooh.
At the Jurong Bird Park, there's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the high-flyers show featuring an exhilarating lineup of bird stars and free flying performances at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. located at the Falls Amphitheatre.
So fast. Come so fast.
Heliconias on both sides. Bright and colorful blooms commonly found in a tropical rainforest. The Jurong Bird Park is one of the largest heliconia collection center in the world, and the only one in Asia. To your right, dazzling bright red-orange birds, the scarlet ibises. Like the flamingos, the bright colors come from the carotene found in the diet they eat. The shorebirds are located next to the scarlet ibises.
There's an orange bird. Where is the tiger house? Ah.
To your right, the Royal Ramble, home to ground pigeons,
Royal
the
Ramble.
world's largest and most beautiful pigeons, native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya. To your left, the world's largest collection of hornbills and toucans. It's made up of 25 flight aviaries, housing 18 species. To your right, windows on paradise. The bird of paradise is regarded as one of the most beautiful birds on earth. And the Jurong Bird Park is the first in the world to breed these stunning birds. The bird of paradise. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to make our first stop at the Lory Loft, the world's largest lorry flight aviary, housing different species. Feed the colorful lorries, have fun, inspired by the spirit of Australia. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets for the next part of the journey. Thank you.
Warren, go say.
Ladies and You're now off to visit the world's tallest man-made waterfall in an aviary. To your left, the Birds of Prey Aviary, housing some of the world's most amazing stunt flyers and powerful hunters, like the eagles and vultures. Catch more of these birds at the Kings of the Skies at the Hawk Walk.
Eagle, ooh, so scary.
To your right, the Bird Discovery Center. Here, we conduct scheduled tours, display bird eggs, feathers, birds, and many others. Learn more about birds and their habits. Let us travel back in time with the dinosaur descendant, home to the world's flightless birds, the ostrich, cassowary, rhea, and the emu. These birds are non-flyers but can leap up to 7 feet high. Your family can also visit the Dino Dig for an archaeological experience and be a paleontologist for a day. Flightless birds, like the dodo bird of Mauritius, are extinct today due to the cruelty of mankind, environmental hazards, and the lack of breeding and conservation programs. We all need to play our part for the next generation of wildlife to survive. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now approaching the most spectacular and the world's tallest man-made waterfall in the country. Home to a wide variety of African birds, the African Waterfall Aviary. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have arrived at the African Waterfall Aviary Station. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets for the next part of the journey. Thank you.
Huh? No, he's going back.
Bye, move.
Yeah, move again now.
You move again.
Yes.
Huh? Boy, can you come tiger house? No. Ada bird fly. Oh no! My tiger house. So it's fine. We will move again.
Yeah.
See?
1,
Ladies and gentlemen,
2.
boys and girls,
Wait, we'll move again. That's it.
to our exciting journey where colors live.
Little amazing waterfalls.
At the smiling,
Very big waterfall.
graceful swans close
Baby.
see them
Papa, where big the waterfall?
Really?
Where big the waterfall?
Where?
Officer, make boat.
Oh, wow.
I make boat.
Who teach you? Wow.
Yeah, I make the other boat. I make boat.
To your right, the pelicans. We have 7 species of pelicans at the Pelican Cove. Look at their beaks. They're huge, aren't they? They have a pouch that can hold 13 liters of water. The pelican makes sure that it empties its beak before it flies. Otherwise, it will be too heavy to take off. Catch Pelican Chit Chat at 2 p.m. daily at the Pelican Cove.
I think the house.
No other birds as elegant and graceful as the lovely flamingos. The lodge on Flamingo Lake commands a breathtaking view of flocks of foraging flamingos. It's an extremely popular dining venue for weddings, parties, exclusive seminars, and even team-building programs with these pink ladies in attendance. Enjoying your ride with us? Do continue your journey on foot when you arrive. Grab a map, watch the shows, take photos, and buy mementos at Feathers and our other gift shops. Feeling hungry? Grab a bite at the Bongo Burgers restaurant or dine at the Hot Cafe situated at the entrance. Now, get ready for big splashes of fun at our fun-themed water playground, where kids can spread their wings
We have water
and play
park.
to their heart's content. Gear up for a massive soaking experience under the giant tipping bucket at Birds of Play. To your left, the Hot and catch the Kings of the Sky shows at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily. Dare and sign up to be a falconer to get even closer to these birds. Next to Hot is where the Breeding and Research Center is located. Go behind the scenes and get a first-hand glimpse into the growth stages of these baby birds.